I feel cranky and pubescent today, and I don't know why. I'm gonna take it out on people I like.
Hello, Harry! What sort of tomfoolery shall we get up to today?
No tomfoolery today, Ron. I'm sick of your dreadful
Speckled mug.
Why must you hurt me in this way, Harry?
Yeah, what's your problem, Harry?
My parents are dead, my life sucks, I can't hold down a girlfriend,
I'm surrounded by f***ing goblins and all the time. I mean, what the f***?
But it's magic, Harry! The goblins are
Magical!
Well, I still have nightmares about Dobby
Eating my swing cleaner.
every night. I can't take it anymore. I quit magic.
But what about fighting you-know-who?
Fine. It's all up to you now, Ron. Come on now, go fight him. Hello, little child.
You want a piece of me? What?
No, sir.
Yeah, you run away, kid.
I can't do it.
You tried your best, Ron.
What's Harry doing?
Angst, 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 angst.
Thanks.
He's a little off today, haven't you noticed?
Maybe he's in love.
Who'd fall in love with such an
Maybe he needs a hug.
I don't want a hug.
Give me a hug, Harry.
No!
Hugging.
I'll wound you.
What is this rumpus?
Harry hit me.
Ron invaded my personal bubble.
Methinks some severe punishment is in order here.
Oh no.
The two of you shall be dragged by your ears to the dungeons, where a drunken filch will be waiting with a cactus and a croquet mallet, and then... Oh no. I have to leave now. Bye.
Oh man, that was awesome, guys!
Thanks, Dumbledore.
Are you still full of that wizard angst, Harry?
I think I can appreciate life a lot more now.
Well, that's just fantastic!
Hey, guys. Ew. What's that smell?
Why, it's Snape's greatest potion of all.
Everyone make a wish. Everyone make a wish.